अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम बात करेंगे Realme 10 के बारे में।
Realme 10, released 2022, the 11th of November, 178 grams, 8mm thickness, Android 12, Realme UI 3.0, 64GB, 128GB, 256GB storage, micros and 6.4, 1080 times 2400 pixels, 50MP, 1080p4, 8GB RAM, Helio G99. 5000 mAh, network technology, GSM, HSPA, LTE. Launch announced 2022, the 9th of November. Status available. Release 2022, the 11th of November. BODY dimensions 159.9 times 73 times 8mm, 6.30 times 289x031 in. Weight 178 grams, 6.28 ounces. Build glass front, Gorilla Glass 5. Plastic frame, plastic back. SIM dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby display type, Super AMOLED, 90Hz, 1000 nits, peak. Size 6.4 inches, 98.9 square centimeter, approximately 84.4% screen to body ratio. Resolution 1080 times 2400 pixels, 29 ratio, approximately 411 ppi. Density protection, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 platform. OS Android 12, Realme UI 3.0 chipset, MediaTek 8781 Mozambican Medical Helio G99, 6nm, CPU octa-core, 2 times 2.2 GHz Cortex A76 and 6 times 2.0 GHz Cortex A55, GPU Mali G57 MC2 MEMORY card slot, micros, dedicated slot, internal 64GB, 4GB RAM, 128GB, 4GB RAM, 128GB, 6GB RAM, 128GB, 8GB RAM, 256GB, 8GB RAM. UFS 2.2 main camera, dual 50MP, f1.8, 27mm wide, 12.76, PDA f2MP, f2.4, depth. Features LED flash, HDR, panorama video, 1080p, 830 fps selfie camera, single 16MP, f2.5, 27mm wide. Features HDR, panorama video, 1080p, 830 fps sound. Loudspeaker yes, 3.5mm jack yes, 24-bit, 192 kHz audio comms, WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11a, B, G, N, AC, dual band, Bluetooth 5.3, a 2DP, LE, apps HUD, apps adaptive, positioning, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, NFC yes, market, region dependent, radio no, USB Type-C 20, OTG. Features sensors, fingerprint, side mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Battery type, LiPo 5000 mAh, non-removable charging, 33W wired, 50% in 28 minutes. Advertised MISC colors, white, blue. Models RMX 3630, price $189, 14,497 rupees TSTS. Performance AnTuTu 385829, V9, Geekbench 1762, V51, FSBench 17 fps, ES 3.1 on screen, display contrast ratio, infinite, nominal, camera photo, video. Loudspeaker 24.9 LUFS, very good, battery life endurance rating 126 hours.
अब हम Realme 10 की पिक्चर्स और 3D इमेज को देखते हैं। अब हम Realme 10 की पिक्चर्स और 3D इमेज को देखते हैं।